So today I wanted to just give a quick overview of a very simple Ansible use case with IBMi. And today is a common use case of I'd like to reset my password and set it expired. So we're going to share VSCode today. And what we're going to do is have a look at a very simple playbook which will go against an IBMi. We use the IBMi Power collection. We'll have a vars file. We'll have a parameter for a user, and what we're going to do is set the password, set it to expired, so that the user will need to change it when they sign on, and then we're just going to display an output log. So we're going to now run this in VS Code. So if we right click, we can run an Ansible playbook. So as a developer perspective, just to see how straightforward it is to run a simple task against an IBMi. So now it's going to change. So you notice in the log, it's picked up a name. We'll just explain this a bit further. We can see here output is James2. That's from the variable. And we can see an outlog that it was successful. And one command has changed and two run successfully. So it's a very simple developer example of how we can write a simple Ansible task to change a user profile on an IBMi.